You're just gonna lay there and look at me? You're just gonna lay there and look at me? You're afraid of the big dog, ain't you? Come on, come here. Hey, Raven. Come here, come on. Well, y'all little lazy things. You little lazy things, yes, sir. Bailey, are you that tired? Are you tired, Miss Bailey? Are you tired? Come here. Come here, Raven. Turn around, look at the camera. Get a little closer. Raven. Hi, Raven. Hi there. Hello. You're just not going to play, are you, huh? You're not going to do anything? You're not going to do anything pretty? How about you, Miss Bailey? You're just being lazy. Oh, aren't you a pretty chocolate girl? There's Doc. There's my big old Doc. You be good, Doc. They're babies. Good boy. Good boy. What is it, huh? Yeah, I love you too. Now get back. Come on, back over here, Doc. Back over here so I can take pictures. Y'all are being lazy. Can I get you to move, Raven? Can you turn to the camera? Can you at least turn to the camera, girl? Come here. Come here. At least turn to the camera where I can get your faces. Hi there. Hi, Raven. Raven, what are you doing, Raven? You're ignoring me, aren't you? Hi, Bailey. 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 Hello, Miss. Yeah, well, we'll miss you. Yeah, you are. Yes, ma'am. You found me, didn't you? Doc, you be good now. Doc, you be good. That's a good boy. Let's put her back out there, too. Yeah, looky there. They're pretty babies. You being good, too, Doc. Bailey, you're not going to do anything, are you? Are y'all sleepy? Are you sleepy? Come on. Oh, yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, are you sleepy, aren't you? Are you sleepy? Whoops, are you being old sheepy bug? Yeah, how about you? Come here, Raven. Oh, you're going to get mad at me. You're going to get mad because I'm disturbing your sleep. Hi there. Hi, Miss Raven. Hi, Raven. Oh, my goodness. Oh, you're going to bite me. Don't bite me. You're going back to sleep. How about you, girl? You want to play, aren't you? You're the only one in the group wanting to play. Yeah, I want to get tuggers and play and bite, and them other two just being lazy butts. Being old lazy babies. Okay.